Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Jinal Sojitra and today I will be talking about global IT sourcing benefits, drawbacks and case study with a focus on Accenture. Let's begin with the company I have chosen. Accenture is a global leader consulting technology and managed services. It's one of the largest firm in the world that provides outsourcing strategies, especially in areas like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and managed services through their global capacity centers. For Accenture, outsourcing isn't just about cost cutting. It's a strategic IT approach. Now, before diving into Accenture's case, let's quickly understand what global IT outsourcing actually means. So, in simple terms, when organizations hire external providers from other countries or regions to handle certain IT functions, these functions can include application development, cloud sourcing, infrastructure management, cybersecurity, and even full-scale managed services. So outsourcing models can be, offshore, nearshore, onshore, or hybrid. So over time, this practice has, evolved. Earlier, it was mainly about reducing cost, but today it's more about, creating long-term strategic partnership at scale. Moving forward with the benefits. So, what are the main benefits of outsourcing? Firstly, it helps companies save cost by reducing operational expenses and shifting from capital heavy investments to operating cost. Secondly, it provides access to specialized skills, whether it's cloud expertise, artificial intelligence, or advanced cybersecurity. Third, it allows scalability and speed. With global team working around the clock, businesses can move faster and reach market soon. And finally, it allows internal team to focus to the core business instead of being tied down with the routine IT functions. Now moving forward with common drawbacks and risk. Of course, outsourcing also comes with its challenges, right? So companies may, face loss of control or vendor lock-in, meaning, they become too dependent on one provider. There are also security and compliance concerns, especially, when sensitive data is handled offshore. Hidden cost and quality issues can sometimes arise, and organization may lose critical institutional knowledge if too much is outsourced. Now let's see how this applies to Accenture. Accenture IT strategy focuses on being cloud first and heavily invested in AI, cybersecurity, and managed services. The delivery model combines in the consulting and execution, often through global capability centers and large immigration factories. They also have a strong partner ecosystem, working closely with Microsoft, AWS, and Google, while using reusable asset to scale faster. Forward with how outsourcing impacts Accenture's IT strategy. Outsourcing is actually, a core product for Accenture. They provide packaged, managed services to clients worldwide. They give clients, predictable operating cost, access to world-class skills, and much faster transformations. However, Accenture also faces challenges such as the need for consult talent, reskilling, meeting regulatory compliance requirements, and avoiding too much dependency on single vendors. So, to mitigate this risk, they invest in multi-cloud strategy, reskilling programs, and specialized solutions like Azure Government for regulatory industry. So to wrap up, here are the key takeaways. Outsourcing brings cost efficiency, access to global scales and scalability, but it also requires strong governance, security by design, proper knowledge transfer, and Accenture demonstrates how outsourcing can become outcome driven when combined with global capability centers, partner ecosystems, and well structured delivery models. So for companies looking for outsourcing, the recommendation is to balance benefits with safeguards using multi-vendor strategies, clear SLAs, and continuous upskilling for internal teams. Thank you for your time and attention.